Okay, so today I'll come to you with a different format video again, and this time we are doing the unboxing of the book cover for my Galaxy Tab A7, and this is the tablet that I just recently bought and just made an unboxing video on. I also have my old 2019 Galaxy Tab A10.1. I just kind of want to see how it plays out with this book cover. We get to check that out. Now keep in mind, of course, because it's a budget tablet, it's really nothing near the Galaxy Tab S7 book cover that I bought, which is more of a premium tablet, as you can see here, or you may have seen in my past video. But either way, we're not going to waste too much time here. Let's go ahead and rip this thing off and get the book cover out. Given how light the packaging is, I can already tell you that the book cover itself is going to be really light, and it is here. It has this matte finish here, which actually feels pretty good. It's not premium, like I said, it doesn't feel premium or anything, but it's still a very nice texture to have on this thing here. Now comparing to my Galaxy Tab S7 book cover here, it's really nowhere near, because obviously that one is a premium and this one is a budget accessory. Now if we take a closer look here, we can see these magnetic tabs here. That will be where you actually put the stand of the book cover when you have the tablet sitting flat on a table or on a desk, and it has two of them for two different positions. Now the magnet are not crazy strong, but they do kind of hold it, as you can see here. But if I flip it a little, then it comes off, or if I move it a little bit, if I wiggle it a little bit, then it will come off, as you can see here. Okay, so now putting the tablet in, it actually fits pretty well. It fits pretty snug. It's not crazy tight, but it's not loose either. So it sits there pretty nicely, as you can see. And when you close it, it actually gives the tablet a pretty nice look. You still get access to all of the ports or the speakers, as you can see here, the power button, the volume button, all of that good stuff. You can see that it still shows, but you kind of have to snap that in to make sure that the tablet is totally in. I can just tell you that that feel, that matte finish, is definitely pretty nice. You still do get a clear access to your camera there, so that you can still be able to snap pictures. And one thing that I'm already noticing, which I think is bad, is that I keep hearing the tablet coming on and off. And that's because this thing keeps sliding on and off the tablet here, but I'm gonna make you listen to that in a moment here again. Now sitting it on the desk, you can see it actually sits straight, but if you move it, it would just fall off. And it has, as I mentioned earlier, two different positions. Now here is that thing again. If you pay attention, if you listen, you can hear the tablet come on and off. Now trying the Tab A10.1 here, it has a huge gap here, so clearly it's not meant for this one. And the Tab S6 Lite, the same deal. We still have some separation there, so no good there. Now I did go ahead and also test out my wireless keyboard on here, and it actually works pretty well. It connects rather fast on here, and you can also connect the mouse on here, and it works very seamlessly. You're able to connect quickly and be able to type. As you can see me typing here, and it works very well. But anyways, that was just my unboxing of the Galaxy Tab A7 book cover here. If you were thinking about buying, this would be kind of what to expect of this thing here. I hope the video was informative. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Of course, I'm going to catch you in the comment section, and I'm also going to catch you in the next video. Stay safe out there.